Hello everyone, this is Acrylic and today we are doing an unboxing along with art supply reveal video. So let's get into it. These are Bristol artist acrylic colors, 24 shades in 12 ml tubes. It has a nice matte finish to it and it's by Creative Handout Materials. So let's get them out. Okay, we have colors out. They're so pretty and vibrant. I'll be doing a swatch video on these guys, so I'll leave the link in description below. Be sure to check it out. Then you have this little guy. These are 6 fluorescent acrylic colors from Brustro as well, and I would love to do a pour paint on this one, and I'll make a video about it too. Be sure to check that out as well. I'll leave the link in description below for that as well. Next we have some chalk paints, and this is my first time getting chalk paints, so I'll be making swatches of them along with Brustro ones. And these were for $360. I found them on Amazon, and you got a cute little note along with resin embellishment. So cute. And they have sets of 6 colors. These are the red set. We have blue and green ones as well, and one in pastel colors. I'm planning on getting pastels as well. And here are my Camel Artist Acrylic colors. These are 20 ml tubes. I've been using them for like 6 months or something, and they are pretty good. They are highly pigmented, and they give us the shade silver as well with it. And we get one acrylic retarder medium along with one gel medium with it, both in 20 ml tubes as well. Moving on, we have the Tayloroni Graduate Acrylic. These are 500 ml colors, and this one transparency is opaque. They come in these cute little bottles, and here's my Hello Kitty. It's my lucky charm. And I have them in colors titanium white, vermilion red, ultramarine blue, and lemon yellow. This one's transparency is transparent, and if you're planning on getting these colors, be sure to check that out. I have a semi-transparent color as well, which is the ultramarine blue. This one is by Fevicryl, 500 ml for 300 rupees, and it's pretty good pigmented as well. And if you're planning on a color that can line on other color, then select opaque. If you're okay with the color not being visible on other colors, then go with transparent. These are by Creative Handout Materials as well, and I don't remember the price I got them in, but the MRP is $8.97 on this one. And here we have the semi-transparent one, and here we have the transparent. So do check that out before getting these colors. And these are the other Fevicryl acrylic colors that I have. These are 15 ml units, and they are 20 rupees each. If you need individual colors such as mauve or something, then it's good to get in these colors because we don't use them that much, but they don't come in usual 24 color sets. Next we have our palette knives. These are from Amazon as well, and I bought these set of brushes from Amazon as well. I use them for detailings. Then we have our Brustro acrylic brushes. These are pretty good if you're a beginner or an artist. They come in fine bristles and they are durable. Then coming to brushes, if the brush is dried out, then I use these thinners. This is NC thinner and this is turpentine oil. They work wonders in restoring dried brushes, and trust me on this, I'll show you a quick demo. This brush is from 3 days back and I'm pretty sure I lost it, but let's try this one. It's quite easy to wash brushes with these oils. Just rub it over on them and you can see the color is leaving now. You should repeat these steps like quite a few times, 3 or 4 times, to get all the color out. Then take a dry cloth, you can take a paper napkin, you can take tissue and wipe it out, that's all. Repeat it a few times and you will be good to go. Then for palettes, I have these cute little palettes and I use plates sometimes. You can use whatever you want. Coming to surfaces, we have this MDF boards. I paint on these things. So recently I did a painting on this one. I'll show you that one. This one is 6mm size. And here's our painting that I did on this MDF board. It's quite good. I got it from a local carpenter shop. I got it in custom dimensions that I like. So you can do that as well. And coming to canvases, I paint on canvases a lot. And here is an example. This is an unprimed side of the canvas and this is a primed side. You can add gesso. I made a video on DIY gesso as well. You can use that to prime it. They are quite durable, so I like them a lot. Then we have stretched boards. These are just boards that have stretched canvas over it. The canvas will be filled with these staplers. And you can paint on different grades of paper as well. There are 160 GSM paper, 220 GSM paper, and they are quite good for acrylics as well. I don't use papers very much. I use canvas a lot. Then we have our other art supplies such as this watercolor pencils from Faber-Castell and one spatula, 2 mixing sticks, and some extra stuff like these markers, oil pastels. These are watercolors from Faber-Castell. They are quite good as well. And these are watercolor cakes from Camel. I use these as a palette too. Like I said, you can use whatever you want. These are quite good as well.